30 days ago, I was struggling with my energy levels. I just got off IsaGenix and I lost about 5 kilograms in a matter of 3 months and put 3 or 4 back on. When I stopped, I don't have directions on how to reach my fitness goals. All I could think was hit the gym and do cardio to lose the mumtum. I wake up exhausted. I wake up defeated. I wake up thinking, oh, what food am I gonna eat today? And I wake up in the morning, sometimes I'm starving, and the mornings I'm not hungry until the afternoon. I go to bed quite late because I'm catching up on some works and think, oh, I should be fine. But after the FitMum foundations, I have become better in all aspects of my life. I have become better in making food choices, doing my repair ritual, getting to bed earlier, and I've been managing to do exercise 3 or 4 times a week, and I don't spend ridiculous hours in the kitchen cooking dinner at night, and I have become more organized, and I felt better. I felt in the morning when I wake up, I have energy and I don't starve like I used to, and I've been eating really well. And my vision is to keep up what I'm doing, just do it better in months to come, and get my whole family involved, especially my husband, and hopefully my kids when they're a bit older as well. And my other vision is get my flat belly back and more energy and a healthier mum, healthier family. And I will get there by sticking to my routines. If I somehow fall off or fail, I have to fail forward and just keep reviewing my drawing board when needed and keep amending it and sticking to my fitness goals.